just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance.
This video is about one of the best, if not the best, na vlogging mic na pwede nyong bilhin sa market ngayon. I'm talking about the DJI Mic Mini, yung mic na gamit natin ngayon. Now this is a wireless mic, and according sa DJI, you can have I think 400 meters ng transmission nito. And kung unobstructed, you should have no issue, or you should have no problem with that signal. Pero I don't really have a use case for that. Naaabot ng 400 meters yung layo ko sa camera. I think I've tried it ng mga around 30 meters when I play golf sometimes, no? And so far, I haven't had any issue na nagkaroon ako ng parang signal loss. So far, so good for me when it comes to that wireless connectivity nitong mic na to. Medyo tricky yung shot. We'll see. Pangit tong line natin, nakatagilid. Pero we'll see. We'll see how this thing goes. Basta wag lang tayo mapunta sa bunker. Let's go. I think not so bad.
Turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just
Oo na tayo, bili muna tayo ng inumin natin. And while we are on our way papunta dun sa bibilhan natin ng inumin, I just like to mention na itong mic na to is actually an omnidirectional mic. So pipick up siya ng sound sa lahat ng direksyon ng mic. Hindi katulad for example ng ibang mga cardioid na polar pattern, malakas lang sa harap. Ito sa lahat ng direksyon, pipick upin niya. Of course, yung mas malapit sa mic, mas malakas yung pick up niya ng sound kumpara dun sa mas malayo. Nakadaan tayo din sa pagbibili natin ng ating magiging drinks. Alright, dyan tayo bibili ng ating inumin, and medyo maingay dyan. Bago tayo pumasok to, banggitin ko na rin na itong mic na to has an active noise cancellation na feature. So, mababawasan supposedly yung ingay, and sa lugar na yan, dyan sa bilihan ng inumin, kung saan tayo bibili rin ng bilihan din niya ng pagkain, maingay dyan. So, tingnan natin kung pagpasok ko at kung habang bumibili ako is mas malinaw yung boses kumpara dun sa noise sa paligid. Kasi right now, naka-on yung noise cancellation mode nitong mic natin. Go, getting closer. Alright, we are here. One iced coffee. Hintay lang tayo ng nagtitinda. No problem. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, so nandito tayo ngayon sa IT Fair and sobrang dami ng tao. I don't know if, ayan, kita nyo. And yeah, we're actually testing itong mic natin, itong DJI Mic Mini. Yung performance niya pagdating sa ganito, kung gaano pa-clear yung boses natin, kung gaano ka lakas or kung gaano kaganda yung noise cancellation niya. Ngayon, naka-on yung noise cancellation. And if you can see from the color, medyo parang yellow-green. Pag naka-yellow-green is naka-off, on yung noise cancellation. I-off natin. Yan. Pagka green na green yung kulay, ibig sabihin nun naka-off yung noise cancellation. Dadaan ulit tayo doon para apple to apple yung comparison ng sound. Ayan. So, ito yung maririnig yung sound kapag ka naka-off yung noise cancellation, ganyan siya. Okay? And naglalakad lang ulit tayo sa dinaanan natin kanina para mas ma-compare ninyo. And stay tayo ng saglit dito. Ayan, ganyan siya. And i-on natin yung noise cancellation. There we go. Yung kulay. And ayan, ganyan yung performance niya kapag naka-on yung noise cancellation. So I don't know kung naririnig nyo ng mas clear yung boses ko, pero supposedly mas naririnig nyo siya ng mas clear. Now, the other thing, you can also use this nga pala sa mga camera ninyo, sa mga digital cameras ninyo, mirrorless, DSLRs. As long as meron kayong 3.5mm na jack sa camera ninyo, pwede. Kasi meron tong kasamang 3.5mm na TRS cable dun sa box niya. Alright, habang nagpapahinga tayo sa pag-skate natin, and umiinom tayo ng drinks natin, pag-usapan na natin yung iba pang features nitong mic na to. One of them is yung auto clipping. So, ano yung feature na yon? So yung auto clipping is just making sure na kahit sumigaw kayo mapuputol yung parang sobrang lakas na sound at hindi magiging sabog yung inyong audio sa video. So that's actually a very good feature nitong mic na to. Then meron din siyang feature na compatibility sa mga ibang DJI devices. So right now, for example, I have the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. So connected siya dun sa Mimo app, and ito rin is connected sa Mimo app, and they just work together. So it also works sa mga iba pang mga DJI na devices. For example, if you have the Osmo Pocket 3 or yung mga iba nilang action cameras, nag-work din to doon. This mic also connects sa mga devices aside from dun sa transmitter na meron na siyang kasama, pwede rin yung Bluetooth na connection. So kung gusto nyo ito lang yung dala ninyo, yung transmitter, pwede nyo itong i-connect sa mga devices ninyo via Bluetooth. Now, if you're interested sa battery life, sabi ng DJI, this one, no, yung pinaka-transmitter is 11.5 hours, and then yung receiver is 10.5 hours. To be honest with you, I haven't used it that long. Wala naman akong recording na ganun katagal. Pero what I've done is, for example, sa isang flight ko na napakatagal, it's a 10-hour flight, buong oras or buong flight nakabukas tong mic and hindi siya na low bat. So I think that just confirms, no, yung claim ng DJI na ganun nga kahaba yung battery life niya. Now, obviously, may mga iba't ibang mga kailangan kayong isipin doon. Kasi for example, pag nakabukas yung noise cancellation feature, medyo magiging mababa yung battery life niya. Speaking of noise cancellation, nabanggit ko na kanina yung noise cancellation. Yung noise cancellation nito has two modes. Merong basic and strong. May dumadaan na train dito sa tapat natin, and I don't know kung narinig ba yun ng mic na to. Now, aside from being able to clip this mic, so katulad ng ginagawa natin ngayon, nakaklip yung mic sa ating sombrero, meron din tong kasamang magnet. Tatanggalin natin, and this magnet, ayan, itong magnet na to, you can use this as well para i-dikit or kabit tong mic na to sa inyo ng, for example, this way, no? So instead na nakaklip siya dito, another way is this one. So you can put it dito sa damit ninyo using that magnet. Ayan, nakaganyan lang siya. Diba? So again, another way, kung wala kayong suot na sombrero, you can use it this way para hindi nyo laging hawak. Pwede nyo ring hawakan. Yung iba, ganun yung ginagawa, no? Lagi nilang hawak, pero you can also use it this way. Ako pag nakasombrero, I just prefer to put it here, no? Pero ganyan, no? One thing I really like about this mic is maliit siya. Maliit yung profile niya, so hindi mo siya mapapansin, hindi rin siya nakakailang masyado sa mga nakakita sa inyo na parang nako-conscious kapag nakikita meron kayong mic or pag nagre-record kayo. Now, yung receiver nito mismo is meron din siyang gain knob. 5 points yan, negative 12, negative 6, 0, plus 6, and plus 12. Yung pwede nyong kontrolin dun sa gain knob. So bahala na kayo kung gano'n nyo kalakas gustong i-record yung nire-record nyo, boses nyo, yung paligid. But you can control that gain via that knob na nandun sa receiver nitong DJI Mic Mini. Para sa tumataginting na tanong, will I recommend this mic? Well, i-recognize muna natin some of its limitations. Now, one is hindi siya 32-bit float. So kung gusto nyo ng higher quality na audio, hindi siya ganon. Hindi siya 32-bit float. Secondly, is wala siyang parang onboard na backup. Meaning, for example, kung nagre-record kayo and pumangit yung transmission and yung receiver, magkaroon ng interruption sila, minsan parang magpuputol-putol yung audio niyo, that's it. Your audio is messed up. Yung may mga backup o yung pwedeng mag-record kahit na may problemang ganon para kayong merong recorded na backup dun sa mismong mic. The thing is, yung mga ganong level o yung mga ganong minsan na features is parang pang pro level na work, mga professional work. But if you're just a casual content creator like me, para sa akin, okay na to. Saktong-sakto na to para sa use case ko. You know that I always recommend an external mic versus native na mic ng mga cellphone natin and mga cameras because the quality ng audio is day and night versus external mic at saka dun sa native na mic. So again, I think that's gonna be more of the qualifier if you're just a casual content creator or you're just a casual na nag-upload lagi ng mga videos ninyo sa social media. I think this is perfect for you. For me, I like it and I will continue using it. And yeah, until makakita ako ng better product, I think this is gonna be our default mic. So that's it, no? Maraming salamat sa panonood niyo. I hope I shared something useful. For now, ubusin ko muna yung binili nating kape. See you in the next video. Peace out.